In this video, we are going to understand how you can give access of some specific ledger to the staff, for example, cash, bank, and some other bank. And but you don't want the user or that staff to change any transaction from bank to cash. Okay, so it means you have to give access of cash, but at the same time you have to restrict the transaction modification to cash. Okay, let's understand quickly. I search loan number 640. Here we have transaction tab, and there if we click here we have option cash or modify bank, so transaction ledger can be modified here. Okay, because I have logged in from super user. Now at the same time I have logged into staff and staff 640 loan search, but staff is not able to search that loan. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll give access to the staff of loan search. Search loan means all the loans will be searched. Actually, I'm giving very high level access, that is search loan, but there are some restrictions of loan search, like loan search within the branch, within the group, or assigned to. There are many other videos explaining that fact. So now customer loan number searching 640. Customer, staff is able to search the loan, but there is no transaction tab here. So we can give one more access, that is transaction tab. Allow to view transaction tab. This access is added. Now let me relog in. Your access is one-time setting, so need to relog in whenever we give the access. And before giving or modifying the access, make sure staff is logged out. Okay. Now here we can see the transaction, and we want to click here, but staff is not able to see the ledgers or modification option. So we'll have to give that option also. Transaction ledger. Allow to modify transaction ledger. Okay. Add this access. Read login. Search loan. And transaction. Click transaction. Staff is able to select the ledger actually, but cash ledger is not shown here. So we have to give the cash ledger access to the staff. Okay, for this we don't have to go to access entry, but we have to go to user list, select that staff, in ledger add cash access also, update, close. Now re-log in and click here search loan, and then transaction, allow to modify. Now cash and the two banks. Now user can select cash and modify it also, for example here, and modify. This is allowed actually to the user. Now we want to restrict cash modifications only, because cash is slightly different than any other ledger. So what we'll do, that in user access control, select the staff and transaction ledger, restrict to modify cash transaction ledger, give this access, sign out and log in, search loan, and here transaction, and click the transaction. Now cash, it is disabled to modify, whereas bank can be modified, but cash selected, not able to modify. All right. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.